And as long as the fan is on, it sucks the cardboard off. But if I turn the fan off, then the cardboard will fall down. I think maybe it's take the fan off.
What does a mom do when she wants things done right? She does it herself.
Welcome to Season 2 of DIY Mom.
Today on DIY Mom, get ready for an unbelievable bathroom transformation. The name of the game is Maximize, and today I'm going to make this bathroom feel so much larger without touching the footprint. The bathroom in this apartment desperately needs to be remodeled. It's cramped and damp and rotting, so I'm ripping out the lavender tub and switching it for a custom walk-in shower. We only have 50 inches to work with, so a tub is always going to feel tight between these walls. But a walk-in shower with a bench and a nook, that's going to feel luxurious. It wasn't until we ripped out the tub and the toilet that we realized the subfloor underneath the linoleum was completely rotten. So I called in the experts to lay down a new subfloor that would be super solid for tiling. When you're tiling, it's crucial to have a strong foundation to lay the tile on, because if your boards flex or bend in the slightest, your tile will crack. And what's the point of doing all that labor-intensive, hard work tiling if it's not going to last? So we installed 2 layers of subfloor that was screwed down every 4 inches. While the bathroom is being prepared, I'm going over to Wacky's to find some tile that will fit within my budget. I love Carrara marble look, but this is like $30 a square foot. It's not gonna fit in my budget. So I need to find like a hexagon stone that has that Carrara marble look without the Carrara marble price tag.
There is a couple available that you can get through Elegant Flooring.
Yeah. This is cool, but I think just because it's a small bathroom and I want it to be in the shower and like one consistent look on the floor, so it gives it that European look, even though there is a little bit of a lip. I would love to do kind of a small penny tile, and I think that this kind of gives me the Carrara look without the price tag. And now I just need to find a wall tile that will
match
kind of
that.
go with that. Here, that's the one. That's the one I got.
All right, perfect.
Okay. And actually, those colors look pretty good together too. Like the proportion, like having a bigger tile on the wall and then a smaller tile on the floor. This large rectangular tile called the White Experience comes in various textures and finishes. It has a similar look to the Carrara tiles that I love so much, and will offer up some character and style and keep it modern and clean, but for half the price. I'm excited to play around with the various pieces that come with it. I also wanted to find a hexagon penny tile that has a slight marbling to it, but still keep the room looking light. The Onyx Hex tiles are simple ceramic with a matte finish and pair beautifully with the White Experience. My hope is that by tiling this space, it will be easy to maintain and clean and will look fresh for many years to come. I got a great fan from Broen, and it's really cool because it plays music. It's a Bluetooth fan. And then in the chaos of cleaning up the apartment, I threw out the box for the fan, and I guess I threw the vent cover out with it. So we grabbed a piece of cardboard and stuck it up there for the photographs. And as long as the fan is on, it sucks the cardboard off. But if I turn the fan off, then the cardboard will fall down. I think maybe it's take the thing off. Alyssa is helping me design a cabinet that will fit right into the space between the walls and have storage for my guests. I chose an affordable white high-gloss door that will keep the room bright and light. I think that's a really clever way to maximize the space. If we keep it really clean and flush with the walls, then it will blend really nicely and it'll look really clean.
I think so too. You know, maybe use a high gloss opposed to a matte finish to kind of have light bounce off the areas to make it seem a little bit bigger as well.
And also, I find with the high gloss cabinets, they're great for wiping down and keeping clean.
Exactly. So the next step is kind of take this sketch and make it into more of a plan, or what some refer to as a shop drawing. So with that, we would have a plan view of exactly where your vanity is going to sit. We'll have an elevation so you can see what it's going to look like. That elevation will also have notes about the finishes and what type of sink, so that everyone that works on this project has the same information.
Right. The old vanity in the bathroom was custom built into the space but took up too much of the footprint. By removing the old ledge, I'm able to gain valuable space back. Now I'm working with Wacky's custom mill department to create a simple built-in vanity that will fit in this tiny nook and maximize the space.
A really simple design with 3 drawers and then the one panel to get at the plumbing. Once the vanity is installed, Nova Tile and Marble will come back and measure for the top of it, which is going to match the bench that's in the shower. And I've got a vessel sink that's going to go on top because nothing really fits in this small of a space. So the vessel sink is a way to maximize your sink capacity.
The cabinet and the shower are completed with a few offcuts of stone from Nova Tile and Marble. I don't need much for the shower bench, and my vanity top is super small, so finding leftover pieces of solid stone on my budget is easy.
There's lots of beautiful pieces of stone that are smaller cuts, offcuts, things that haven't been used, and it's a great way to find those small pieces, the bathroom tops, the shower benches, small bar spaces. If you don't need a big slab, if you don't need a full slab of stone, you can use an offcut. And if this stuff doesn't get used up, then it often goes to waste. So it's a great way to help the earth out a little bit and recycle. This is a beautiful piece. That's gorgeous. There's stuff for every price point. So obviously this is the Carrera that's going to be more expensive. But if we go down a little further, we can find the budget section and even some sale pieces. Once I find the piece I want to use, they put the code into the computer, and then they'll tell me if it will fit my bathroom. I only need a small piece for the shower bench and for the vanity cover, so there's lots of options that could work for me in the bathroom.
The shower bench will hopefully make up for the fact that there's no tub. It's a place to sit and chill and relax while you steam up or shave. I'm looking for that Pinterest perfect photo, so I've had a shower nook custom built into the wall. With the shower almost finished, I'm blown away by how much bigger the bathroom looks. It's just so much better than that old tub. It was difficult to find a glass shower door that would fit this custom space. I knew what I wanted. I had it in my mind, and I was starting to get nervous that I would have to order a custom piece of glass, and then that would push my closing date back yet again. But moments before I was about to give up, I found a double soft closing shower system from Max on the Home Hardware website. It's adjustable and works with my measurements, so that was a huge relief. The installation went smoothly, and now I have a beautiful, clean finish for my fabulous tile shower. Now that I have this room looking so much larger, I don't want to close it back in by putting a door back on. An easy way to maximize the footprint of any small room is with a pocket door. But if you don't want the labor and the mess of ripping out drywall and moving the electrical to install a pocket door, a barn door is a simple solution that can do just the trick. Plus, the hardware and brightly painted teal door hangs like art on the wall. The pop of color is my ode to the East Coast. We love a brightly colored row house or a colorful buoy bobbing on the ocean. It's just the touch I needed to keep that theme connecting throughout the apartment. So the built-in shower, the custom vanity, and the barn door are making this bathroom feel twice as big. But I'm not done yet with the word of the week, maximize. I found out that a local auto glass company, Apple Auto Glass here in Halifax, can custom cut mirrors. You might have noticed this bathroom has an interesting angle in the vanity nook, and these little quirks in old buildings are really fun to incorporate into your design. So I asked Apple Auto Glass to cut me a piece of mirror that goes from countertop to peak. It only took them a few days and $100 to turn this piece around. I even asked them to cut a hole for my vanity light, so after the glass is installed, my gold Hudson Valley fixture fits right on top of the mirror for a seamless look that, you got it, maximizes this tiny bathroom space. I'm so delighted with how it all turned out. I just can't wait for my guests to experience all this room has to offer. From Aveda Life Salon spa products to the ambient Bluetooth and the Broen Sonic fan, this bathroom is filled with gems that will have my guests glowing. Next week is the final episode of my East Coast Oasis renovation, and we are revamping the front entrance and exterior to create a welcoming vibe for my short-term guests.